Mga kanos! Welcome sa aking YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. I'm your barista, Michael Ryan Gesto. And for today's episode 100, mga must-try and bestsellers, by Try Me, Farm to Table via Cloud Kitchen, Iloilo.
Do you have a moment? And this very second, I know you feel the beat. Do you feel the rhythm all the way? Can you see the vision? Everything in this world will be okay. Can we be together all the way?
Try Me! Now it's back! The hangout of the 90s is here! This will give you a comfort through food. Take a trip downtown memory lane with your all-time favorite classics. Book your order a day in advance. They deliver at your doorstep or pick up in Dente Ristorante Italiano. Farm to Table. Staying home but missing buffet experience? Well, Farm to Table Iloilo has the answer. Their buffet in a box. They're located at Transcom building, Megaworld Business Park, Iloilo City. List of menus and delivery details I'll provide description down below, and this episode is sponsored by Try Me, Farm to Table via Cloud Kitchen, Iloilo. And disclaimer na mga nos, this is my own opinion and my own standards when it comes to brand or taste reviews. Like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. At para always kayo notified sa my latest episodes ko, just click the notification bell icon. And kapag may nakita kayong skip ads, ilang seconds or ilang minutes, huwag niyo pong skip. Malaking tulong na yon sa aking channel. Hi there, manos! So you have here must-try products by Try Me Iloilo. And also you could check their Facebook page, Cloud Kitchen Iloilo, for more details when it comes to their menus and price list. So I'm very excited, mga kanos, to taste test this ultimate classic favorite in Iloilo. Naging popular sila not only for the locals but also for the batang 90s. And also i-present ko mamaya yung buffet in a box by Farm to Table. Let's start, mga kanos. For first product is our Cheeseburger for 99 pesos.
Reaching for something within you.
Very savory yung meats for its patty, very soft yung buns mixed together for its perfectly balanced for its sauce, melted cheese, and also veggies for this product. Na-maintain pa rin nila for its classic favorite cheeseburger for Try Me Iloilo. This is Try Me Deluxe for 220 pesos.
Sunset colored sky. Chilling.
Ito ang sarap, mga kanos. First time ko i-try yung product nila, most especially for Try Me Deluxe. Ang ganda na combination for its sweet, butter, or margarine feel, and also for its savory meats. Sobrang amaze ako when it comes to overall quality. Perfectly balanced yung different flavors. These are spaghetti for 150 pesos. Very distinctive for its Pinoy style when it comes to sweetness, spaghetti sauce, and also for its soft noodles, got hot dogs, also for its shredded cheese, perfect for kids, and also for spaghetti lovers. These are fried chicken java rice for 180 pesos.
Do you have a moment?
For this product, well marinated or seasoned yung chicken nila, it has an excellent softness and juiciness for its chicken meats, with its delicious java rice. Kahit with sauce or without sauce, busog-lusog ka na for this product. Okay, for rating, manos, for all of the products for Try Me Iloilo, I'll give it a perfect 10. So ayan, manos, na-clear natin yung Try Me Iloilo. So yung next natin is Farm to Table. So meron sila,
Everything in this world.
yan, laking box siya, mga kanos, parang unboxing na din siya. But before anything else, magpasalamat ako sa rider sa nag-secure sa aking foods. Kahit umuulan, ng pasensya yung rider kasi medyo nabasa siya dito sa upper part, pero dry naman siya. Pay in a box for 399 pesos. 10 choices in a box, all included per person. Kare-kare beef, orange fried chicken, pinakbet, pork sisig, sweet and sour fish fillet, organic fresh salad, lechon kawali, steamed rice, sotong gisado, and macaroni salad. For their buffet in a box, Pwedeng-pwede to for special occasion, most especially for birthdays and also sa upcoming Father's Day. So tara mga anos, kain tayo! So unahin ko muna yung steam rice nila. So yung rice nila mabango, tapos very soft siya. Then is, ito yung lechon kawali. Yung lechon kawali, perfect yung pagluto, yung process, and also very tender yung meats, mako yung fats, yung juices, and also for its savory pinakbet. Perfect yung vegetables, yung sauce, or yung sabaw. Very distinctive yung overall flavors niya, orange chicken. Sarap na combination for its sweet and citrus feel for its orange flavor. Perfect match for their fried chicken. Sweet and sour fish fillet.
Can we be together all the way?
For its fish meat, ito sobrang lambot texture niya. It's perfect match talaga for your steamed rice. So for its sweet and sour sauce, very distinctive yung overall flavors for this delicious dish. Kare-kare beef.
I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching.
Very precise yung overall ingredients for its vegetables, for its sauce, for beef, and also for bagoong. Sarap ng quality for its gisado, most especially for its veggies, meats, naman si zest or juice, and also for its sutanghon noodles. Sobrang soft at sobrang daling kainin. Favorite ko, pork sisig. A sisig lover, and when it comes sa quality and also overall flavors, pasado siya sa taste ko. Tama ng balance for its herbs, spices, mayo, and also for its distinctive sisig meats. The next natin is yung macaroni salad. This salad, ito perfect siya for cleanser for all of these amazing and delicious products. Very soft yung texture and creamy, and also yung kanilang fresh salad. It has these freshly cut vegetables, most especially for its onions, tomatoes, cucumbers, and lettuce. Okay, for rating manos for all of the products, I'll give it a perfect 10. Throwback talaga yung all-time favorite classics when it comes to Try Me, most especially for their wonderful dishes and presentation. Pawaw ka talaga sa sarap. When it comes sa buffet na box, may farm to table, ito, busog-lusog ka na for its quality, appearance, and all of their best food finds here in Iloilo City. Ulit ka na when it comes sa packaging and setup, ding mo share sa family, friends, relatives, and loved ones. And by the way mga anos, this episode is extra special kasi for may 100 pieces or brand review, for may vlog episode, at sa mga anos natin patuloy sumusuporta at sa pag-try sa aking drinking nose. So thank you so much, and also sa mga owners, staff, lahat po, maraming salamat po. And most especially sa lahat po bumubo for Try Me, Farm to Table, and Cloud Kitchen Iloilo, especially kay Ma'am Pauline for inviting me and trusting Drinking Nose to feature your amazing products, and congratulations. So thank you so much, ma'am. Stay safe mga nose. See you in my next brand or thesis review here in the City of Love, Iloilo City. Bye!